Hey guys, today I will showing in this video how to create a double exposure in 3 minutes. So, watching this video till to the end. First, open model. Select quick selection tools and select subject. With the background selected, click add mask. Selected background layer. Click adjustment layer to solid color, then take white color. Drag the top layer and drop it below the second layer. Selected top layer. Just hold and drag on Photoshop. Then release here. Now adjust the landscape properly. Now hit enter or click tick mark. Now double click here and choose white background color from landscape picture. Now select top layer and go blending option. Select screen. Now hold down the Alt button and place the mouse between the first layer and the second layer and click on it. Select second layer and click adjustment layer to curves. Now select layer mask and take brush tools. Keep foreground color black and background color white. Keep the opacity below 40 and rub lightly. So guys, I hope this tutorial is very helpful and attractive. Please subscribe my channel for get more tutorial. Thank you.